friends, in this video we are going to see the fixing of the Kawasaki Ninja original panniers. Last video we saw the unboxing of it, and we saw the panniers, how what are the parts of it, as well as the fixing materials given with the panniers. Now actually we are going to literally fix it to the bike. Pannier, like two panniers, both right and left, are both symmetrical, and each of them weigh around 4 kgs. Yeah. Hi friends, now we are going to do the re-unboxing of the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 panniers. It has come with a very good packing. So you see how protective they have placed it. Now here we have a factory textile cloth over here. Now here we have the panniers on the parts over here. So we have the panniers, and again we have the textile protective clothing, our factory clothing, and we have the box over here. Now we are going to weigh the panniers. Okay. Now roughly approximately it's around 5 kgs. So each panniers are symmetrical. They are around 5 kgs. Okay. Inner bag. We have the inner bag inside. So if not, the panniers is 4 kgs. So since we have the inner bag, it is around 4.75 kgs. Next we are going to install those rubber stickers, or the stickers over here. So this is the manual which shows how to install the stickers. Like this goes for the left side, like the numbers have been 4, 6, so this 4, 6 goes on the left side, and this 3 and 5 goes on the right side. So the same thing goes here. Clean this part properly, because you need to fix it here and here. Yeah. This is cool. Yeah, this one is also in place, but still. So again I'll do the same stuff. I'll just make sure that by rubbing it with the, it should do the job. I'm going to install the rubber dampeners onto the bike. So the place to install it is in this part over here near the rear foot pegs. We have two dampeners, rubber blocks. So basically you have this, it's written like R1, and again here you have this left one, L. So the L and the R has been mentioned for the right side and the left side. So the thing is, the inward shape should go inside the bike. So let's attempt to install it. So now I am installing the left piece. The L is here, and this is how you install it. Yeah, now it's securely installed. So because once you put the panniers, it makes sure that it doesn't hit the peg here, or the steel rod over here. So this is how it's installed. Okay, now I'm sure that it's tight, it fits tight, so you need to push it all the way down. So see the R and this C, the C shape goes inside the bike. Yeah. Secured in place. Now the dampeners are secured so that the panniers don't hit the rod over here and get damaged. So this is how the dampeners are installed. We have installed the the fit kit in the for the panniers. Like we have fixed the rubber block over here, the dampener, and the two stickers over here, the one over here and the one over here in the handrail. Okay, so we have done this on both sides. Now it's time to fix the panniers. Now we are ready to fix the panniers, but now this key is a one key system. So what you need to do is, now This you insert the key here and you open. You open it and you release this latch over here. So this latch is very important because this is the one that fixes the panniers with the bike. So this action, we need this action. So now so once this is unlocked, now once you press this, it gets locked with the bike. So you need not have to remove the panniers, you need not have to worry. So once this is locked, you just lock the key and you remove it. So nobody will be able to remove the panniers from the bike because this is it gets locked with the bike. So now again what we'll do is in order to fit it to the bike, we need to unlock it and then take it to the bike. Okay, this is for the right side. So now as you see, there are two grips over here, two impressions for the panniers to get to fit it. So this is one holder and this is the another one which we need to sling it along with the handrail. So we go along with this. So as you see, this is open. So this is lock, this is open. So this has to be opened in order to fix it to the bike. So now we go with this, we go along with this, and then you give a slight push. Yeah, now it's locked. Now you need to remove the key. And so as you see now here, the right panniers have been fixed. So the one holder is with this handrail, and the other one, the bottom one, has been fixed here. So now it's impossible to remove the panniers from the bike. So you need not have to worry. So once the panniers are fixed, you cannot remove it. So in order to remove it, you need to release this latch over here. So this latch has to open. So you need to have the key. So once the key is with you, you are damn sure that nobody is going to touch the panniers. So now we are trying to put it in the left side. So again we have to release this lock. So this is locked, this is released, and I opened the panniers, and now we just go along with the flow. So now the panniers are in place. Yeah, now the lock is, I've locked it and I've removed the key. Now it is not possible to remove the panniers. Now both the panniers are in place. Now we'll try to remove this. So you need the key, open it, unlock it, and then give it a gentle push up. Yeah, now it's up. So to fix it again, go with the curve. Yeah, flow, lock, unlock. Now it's in place. Now both the panniers are in place. You cannot remove the panniers from the bike because you need the key. So once you have the key, it means that your luggage is safe. Are in place. As you can see, the dampener. The dampener is exactly, the pannier has been designed that the pannier holds into the dampener. Like there's a groove over here. You can just have a look. So there's a groove over here which just fits into the the rubber block, the dampener over here. So it doesn't, the pannier doesn't wobble when it comes down. And the next thing is, like, you have this the heat repellent over here, the steel part, which is exactly near to the exhaust. So the exhaust is going to hit here, and this steel is going to protect. So when you buy the panniers, make sure that you buy with this steel plate over here for protection. Yeah, now we'll open the panniers. So you need to use the key. Then now I'm not going to remove the panniers, I'm just going to open it. I'm going to open it. So now the latch is here. So now it's open. So this is the inner bag. Stuff your luggage in, and once you need to take your stuff, you need not have to remove the whole panniers. You can just take this inner bag and keep moving, and you can close this. Now it's locked. So once it's locked, that's it. The panniers cannot be removed. You have your luggage with you. So this is one of the added advantages of having this inner bag. You need to purchase this inner bag separately because it costs. So it doesn't come with the panniers, you have to purchase it separately. Now we'll measure the length of the panniers. So the inner depth is around 7 inches. So 7 inches for this side. But this also, you can take this also into account because you can pack your stuff here also. So the one side is 7, the other side is around 4 inches. So it is around 11. Totally it is around 11 inches, the inner width. So this width is around 11 inches. So you can pack your stuff around 10 to 11 inches over here. And then this crossover from here is around 18 inches. So this is around 18 inches crossover, and this width is around 14 to 15 inches. So you can pack your stuff accordingly, and this comes as a safety, like you can pack your stuff and you can just clip this buckle in, so that your stuff doesn't move. So you can pack your stuff here. As I said, you can put your inner bag over here, and also you can pack your stuff over this side. So now what we'll do is we'll try to put in a full face helmet. Okay, so you need to unbuckle this, put the helmet in. So this holds a full face helmet, and you can buckle it if needed. Now your helmet is in place. Capacity of the panniers is around 28 liters. Yeah, 28 liters. So it holds a full face helmet. You can have your jacket, your riding gloves on the. Now we have fixed the panniers with the bike. Now I'll just summarize it up. Now these are the Kawasaki Ninja original panniers from Japan. So these panniers are basically waterproof. So this width is equal to the width of the mirrors. So you need not have to worry like the panniers you will hit the adjacent vehicle or anything like that. So once the mirrors clear the pass through, the panniers also will pass through. So the mirrors and the panniers are aligned with each other. So you need not have to worry about the panniers. So just concentrate on the mirrors. So when the bike with the mirrors pass through traffic, the panniers also will just pass through it. Okay, so these panniers are made by Givi. So Givi makes these panniers exclusively for Kawasaki. So the panniers are basically waterproof. It is around 28 liters each. So each panniers is 28 liters, as I've explained earlier. Now the cons of the panniers. So I feel is like the inner bag takes much space of the panniers. So the inner bags with the panniers with the hard case takes much space. So without the inner bags, there is more space. So with the inner bags, there is less space inside. So it depends. Like if you have less luggage, you can put the inner bags. If you have more luggage, you can remove the inner bags and just put your stuff directly into the hard case. The other thing is the shape of the panniers. The shape of the panniers is streamlined with the bike, so it looks very good with the bike. But when you start packing your stuff, you need to fold your stuff according to the shape of the panniers. So it is not a square box or it is a rectangle. It is a streamlined shape with the bike. So look wise it is good, but practically once you start packing, you need to have a few adjustments made in the with your packing stuff. Okay, and the other major thing is like the cost. The cost of the panniers is around 10% of the cost of the bike. So it is very costly. Basically the panniers is 10% cost of the bike. But there are cheap panniers, but they don't look this good. You need to fix bolts and nuts, and when you are, it looks cumbersome. Like you have to remove those stuff and again fix it and things like that. But here, as I've demonstrated, the panniers just fit in. Like you just need to remove it and just keep moving. Okay, so that is one of the like the cost wise it is quite high. Now what are the pros of this is everything is a pro in this for these panniers. So everything is good. The looks are good, the quality is good, and you have enough space to pack your stuff, and it's better than the aftermarket panniers. And the major advantage is like you have the one key system, so you can use your ignition key with the pannier system also. So these are the advantages of the panniers, and these are waterproof, so that is also a very added advantage. So these are lined with inner rubber line, so it is waterproof. And unload your stuff from the panniers, you need to make sure that you don't mess the rubber lining, or you don't try to remove the rubber lining. So once the rubber lining is not in place, it is not waterproof. So you need to make sure that the rubber lining is always in place. So it is fixed. The thing is like when you are removing your stuff by mistake, you should not hit it along the rubber beading of the panniers. Okay, so other than that, I think I have explained everything about the panniers. So do press the bell icon, like, share and subscribe, and do post in your comments, and if there are any questions, do comment, do post it, and I'll be glad to answer it. Thank you, and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share and subscribe, and do give a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my videos.